Student, my previous video you have knew about what is principle of virtual work done and what is virtual work done actually. Now we have to apply a principle of virtual work done on a beam. Using this principle of virtual work done, our aim is to find out what is the support reaction. Now you have to consider an example. Suppose AB is a beam. The support at A and reaction is RA, reaction at A it is upward, and B is a support, so reaction RB is also to be upward. Now you have to applying a load P at point C, and the distance of load P from A is small a and from B is small b. Now we have to consider the point A as a hinge portion. So due to the hinge there will be a no displacement and it will be move like that way. The B point is moved like that way. So displacement will be occur at B and displacement will also to be occur at point C. Now we have to consider the displacement at B is equal to del y1. This is virtual displacement, and del y2 the virtual displacement at C. Now we have to applying a virtual work done by the vertical reaction at B. This is equal to del y1 into RB. So work done by the point load at C is equal to minus P into del y2. Here minus is because load is applying downward and the displacement is shown here in upward. So we have to put here minus P into del y2. And the virtual work done, the vertical reaction at A is equal to RA into 0 because of there is no displacement at A. So here we put here 0. Now total virtual work done on a beam we can write RA into 0, RB into del y1 minus P into del y2. Now according to principle of virtual work done, we know the total virtual work done on beam is equal to 0. So we write in that way. So from that we find RB is equal to P into del y2 by del y1. Now we have to find out what is the value of del y1 and del y2. For that we have to consider the similar triangle. Now this is a AEB and ADC is a similar triangle. From that we get del y1 by del y2 is equal to, from A to B this is total length L, and A to C this is A, small a. So del y1 by del y2 we get L by A. So del y2 by del y1 A by L. Now putting the value in equation 1, this is my equation 1. So putting this value we get RB is equal to P into A by L. Now RA and RB both are in upward direction and P is downward direction. So we write RA plus RB is equal to P. So RA is equal to P minus RB. So putting this value we get P into L minus A by L. Here L minus A we get B. So here put P into B by L. So in this way, using principle of virtual work done, we find the reaction of any beam RA and RB. That's all. Thank you.